I watched the latest Gordon Ramsay and Matthew McConaughey video. Can I recreate the same dish? Hi everyone, so I watched the Gordon Ramsay and Matthew McConaughey video and it looked deliciously easy. So I was inspired to try it myself. I am a passionate home cook that just wants to cook like the pros. Gordon Ramsay is right up there, so naturally this seemed like a good place to start. After watching the Gordon and Matthew video, I went out and bought most of the ingredients. Well, minus the Texan super thick cut steaks, and settled with your average supermarket thickness cut for the ribeyes. In the video, Matthew has a secret contraband spice rub, so of course I made my own version. This one I'm willing to share with you, so check out the comments for the ingredients. I called it DE1 spice rub. If you try it, drop a comment and let me know what you think. I heated extra virgin olive oil on my cast iron steak grilling pan. So far so good. While the steak is frying, I started to chop up the rest of the ingredients, starting with the parsley. So pretty rough chop and nothing to it. Next is the yellow bell peppers. Try to chop them into smallish square shapes. Any size really, doesn't really matter. Take your time. I'm speeding this up so my knife skills look better. Looking good. And one more thing, magic ingredient, butter. Once the butter is melted down with all the beautiful juices in the pan, all I have to do is spoon it over the steak a few times. It helps with flavor and keeping the steak nice and juicy. Doesn't this just look amazing? We're going to rest them and just keep them on the side for now, so none of the juices get wasted. We're going to pour these right over the steaks. Don't waste a single drop, pour every last bit over these steaks. It's going to help with flavor and it's just going to absorb while it's resting. While these steaks are resting, we're going to continue with the chopping up of the rest of the ingredients. So last but not least is the chili. So green chili first and a bit of red as well. Adds loads of flavor and different color to your salsa. I'm calling it the salsa, I don't actually know what it's called. I'm going to add a bit of lime to the aka salsa, and that's going to give you a little bit more taste, and seasoning, salt and pepper. We're just going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit more lime, and it's sorted. Extra virgin olive oil in the pan, really low heat, and we're going to do 2 eggs just to be safe. A little bit of the hot oil over the egg without turning it, so it keeps it soft in the middle, but you don't need to turn it. The steak is well rested and we're going to start slicing this up now. So we're just going to remove the cab, and I've got to be honest, until Gordon said it in the video I had no idea what this is. So top of the ribeye, half moon shaped thing, and we're going to slice that up, and it's just going to get sliced ready for the placing. A bit of the salsa on the plate, and you're going to top that with the pre-sliced cab of ribeye, and you can go ahead and top that with a bit more salsa, and then you can finish off slicing the remainder of the ribeye So slightly thicker cutting of the ribeye, about a centimeter or so wide, also at an angle, and then you can place that on top. I think it's fair to put out a quick disclaimer that this has been cooked to my family's preference, which is not rare or anywhere close to that. I can already feel the gaze of Gordon Ramsay, and I won't try to defend myself and will simply say on this diagram mine is somewhere near medium well. Top up with the last of your aka salsa and get that nice egg ready, place it on top, and we're going to add the little bit of chives that I chopped up earlier, just as a bit of a visual, not much flavor in that, a little bit of salt and pepper, and here we have it. Slice the egg and see it all ooze out. Let me know how I did in the comments and look out for the next video.